everybody in this crowd, all the way up in section 940, to come together and make one joyful noise throughout the evening. The moment we made a joyful noise together. Some of us are leaving relationships where we were just terrible in this crowd. And the great thing is, you can be terrible, but you can move on and you can start the whole thing over again and be perfect. That's what's so amazing about life. You can just tank completely, and it all begins again when you say, hi. And then all of a sudden you could be an angel when you were a devil 2 months ago. And if you know what I'm talking about, then make that joyful noise with me in a hopeful sort of way. The good love is on the way. Good love is on the way. I've been lonely, but I know I'll be okay. Good love is on the way. I need everybody just to say, I don't care if you're out of pitch. Oh, oh, oh. Check it out, it goes like this. Now here you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. But it's not okay to flee to the sound of loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. In the stillness of remembering what you